Welcome to another episode of Swadesi Startup Speaks, your go-to podcast for everything happening in India's vibrant startup ecosystem. Today we explore exciting trends and insights from blockchain innovations transforming India's business landscape to the shifting dynamics in startup investments. We also delve into the role of startups in revolutionizing rural lending and the impact of international collaborations. Let's dive in. India's startup ecosystem is seeing a shift in investment focus, with more funding directed at established ventures rather than early stage startups. Early stage funding has dropped to $3 billion in 2024, down from $4 billion last year. This is due to fewer Series A ready startups, a result of the funding winter in 2022 to 2023. While growth and late-stage investments have increased, the global investment landscape, including cautious foreign capital flows, is contributing to this trend. Algorand, a leading Layer 1 blockchain platform, is hosting its annual Impact Summit in Hyderabad, launching the Startup Lab to support blockchain startups addressing real-world challenges. The lab focuses on making Web3 companies product-ready, market-ready, and investment-ready. With 150 startups participating, the initiative aims to tackle challenges like business models and scalability. Algorand is also promoting sustainability through solutions like supply chain traceability and carbon credit tokenization. Indian startups raised $250 million across 18 deals this week, a 72% increase. Notable investments include $100 million in Vastu Housing Finance, $80 million in Mintify, and $20.8 million for Interpret. Ultraviolet raised Rs 130 crore, while AgriLeaf secured $2 million. Glow raised $30 million for renewable energy expansion. The Indian startup ecosystem has created over 16.6 lakh jobs, with the IT sector leading, and India now hosts over 1.46 lakh DPIT recognized startups, including 100 plus unicorns. Indian startups expanding globally face challenges with transfer pricing compliance, including limited resources, difficulty in valuing intangibles, and risk of high tax adjustments. Other issues include ambiguity in emerging sectors, increased scrutiny of funding, and lack of expertise. Solutions include simplified frameworks, industry specific guidelines, and access to affordable advisory services. A startup focused approach to TP regulations could help startups navigate these challenges and enhance global competitiveness. The UAE hosted the inaugural Founders Retreat from December 6th, 8, bringing together over 60 prominent Indian startup founders, UAE business leaders, and investors. The event aimed to strengthen UAE-India bilateral investment ties, showcasing collaborations and opportunities for economic growth. With participating ventures valued at $3.5 billion, the retreat highlighted the UAE's significant contributions to India's startup sector. It emphasized deeper collaboration and mutual benefits, paving the way for global startup success. Startups under India's Startup India initiative have created over 16.6 lakh direct jobs across 55 industries by October 2024, with notable contributions from IT services, healthcare, construction, education, and fintech. The initiative offers support through schemes like FFS, SACEFs, and CGSS, while fostering competition and innovation via programs like the National Startup Awards. The government also focuses on international collaborations and grassroots innovation through global engagements and local capacity building events. Startups are transforming borrowing practices in rural India by offering innovative financial solutions. The government and private sector have been focusing on expanding access to credit through digital platforms and alternative lending models, making it easier for rural communities to access funds. These startups are revolutionizing traditional lending systems by offering more accessible, flexible, and timely financial services, helping address financial inclusion gaps in rural areas. That wraps up today's episode of Swadesi Startup Speaks. We hope you found these insights into India's startup growth and challenges both informative and inspiring. Join us next time as we continue to explore the stories that are shaping the future of innovation in India. Don't forget to subscribe and share the podcast with your network.